Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Zipline cable is probably one of the most exciting and thrilling additions to any backyard adventure, offering an unparalleled sense of freedom and speed as you soar through the air. Imagine the exhilaration of gliding effortlessly from one point to another, creating lasting memories and endless fun for family and friends. This isn't just a piece of equipment, it's an experience that transforms your outdoor space into a personal adventure park, providing hours of active entertainment and a unique way to enjoy the great outdoors. Number 5. CTSC Zipline Kit for Backyard. Introducing the most complete zipline set designed for endless fun. This Christmas, give the gift of adventure with a superior zipline kit for your loved ones. Your child's safety is our top priority. Our kit includes an adjustable harness, seat, and a stainless steel spring brake, all rigorously tested to meet strict safety certifications. Enjoy outdoor play with complete peace of mind. Tired of complicated setups? Our all-inclusive tensioning kit makes installation a breeze. With a simple ratchet strap and tools, you can set it up in minutes, saving you time and effort while ensuring a sag-free ride. We offer personalized solutions to fit your space. Our kit includes ample cable, but if your trees are farther apart, simply contact us with the distance, and we'll create a custom kit just for you. Enjoy nature responsibly. Our kit comes with high-quality nylon webbing tree protectors that safeguard your trees, allowing you to have fun without causing harm. Prepare for years of joy and adventure. This fabulous gift will have your family flying high, creating unforgettable memories together. Get ready for endless outdoor fun. What we like. This is the most complete zipline kit available, offering unparalleled safety with certified components and customizable length options. If you are looking for a worry-free, all-inclusive solution for your backyard adventures, this is the one. It's perfect for families who want a safe and long-lasting zipline experience without any hassle. What people say. The zipline cable is made of high-quality galvanized steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. It features a smooth, low-friction surface that allows for a fast and enjoyable ride. The cable comes with pre-attached clamps for easy installation and secure attachment to anchor points. Number 4. XXBEN 98-foot Backyard Zipline Kit. Introducing the XXBEN 98-foot Zipline Kit, perfect for backyard fun for both kids and adults. It's designed for thrilling outdoor adventures right in your own yard. Your children's safety is our priority. Our kit features a thicker, adjustable swing seat and a high-strength spring brake to ensure a secure and exciting ride. Setting up is a breeze. Simply find 2 sturdy trees, attach the cable, and let the adventure begin. Enjoy countless hours of backyard entertainment with your family. Crafted from premium, rust-resistant stainless steel with a durable pulley and upgraded non-slip handles, it's built to last and provide a super smooth ride. Looking for the perfect gift? This zipline kit offers thrilling adventure and entertainment for birthdays or holidays, keeping the whole family engaged. Rest assured, our product meets ASTM and CPC safety standards. We've rigorously tested it to provide you with the highest quality and safest experience. What we like. This zipline kit prioritizes durability and ease of setup, featuring high-strength stainless steel and ASTM CPC certification for peace of mind. If you're seeking an exciting outdoor activity that's simple to install and built to last, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for families wanting to add a touch of adventure to their backyard playground. What people say. The zipline cable is incredibly sturdy and well-made, ensuring a safe and thrilling experience. Installation was surprisingly straightforward, with clear instructions provided. The length of the cable is generous, allowing for a good amount of distance to zip across. Number 3. 1/4 Wire Rope Kit. This wire rope kit comes with everything you need for quick installation. It includes a 50-foot stainless steel cable with a pre-made loop, 4 clamps, and 4 thimbles. You can easily create a secure loop or connect it to hardware, saving you time and extra parts. Experience robust outdoor strength with this cable. It offers a braking strength of 6,400 pounds when installed correctly, making it ideal for zip lines, deck railings, and boat lifts. You can rely on its strength and rust resistance for your DIY projects. This cable features a flexible 7x19 strand design, allowing for easier bending, routing, and tensioning. Its flexibility makes it simpler to cut to your desired length for various applications like railings, shade sails, or garden supports. Crafted from 304 stainless steel, this cable is built to withstand outdoor environments. It offers excellent resistance to rust, moisture, and corrosion, making it perfect for marine use, boat lifts, and long-term rigging. This versatile cable is designed for a wide range of DIY projects. Use it for backyard zip lines, deck railings, shade sails, dog runs, or boat lift replacements. The included hardware saves you time and effort. Rest assured, this cable is made from genuine 304 stainless steel, ensuring superior rust and corrosion resistance. A slight magnetic pull after stretching is normal and does not indicate a compromise in its stainless steel quality. What we like. This wire rope kit offers exceptional strength and durability with its 304 stainless steel construction and a high breaking strength. If you need a robust and rust-resistant cable for a variety of DIY projects, including zip lines, deck railings, or dog runs, this is a reliable option. It's perfect for builders who value strength and longevity in their materials. What people say. The Zipline cable is incredibly sturdy and well-made, providing a secure and thrilling experience. Installation was surprisingly straightforward, and the cable held up perfectly during extensive use. The length of the cable is generous, allowing for a good amount of travel and fun for all ages. Number 2. 1 4-wire rope kit, 75 feet galvanized steel cable. Introducing our premium wire rope kit, built with hot-dip galvanized steel for exceptional tensile strength and wear resistance. It's designed for long-lasting performance, even in extreme weather conditions. This cable features a robust 7 by 19 strand structure, offering a breaking strength of up to 4,200 pounds. Its superior load-bearing capacity makes it perfect for demanding applications. You'll receive a 75-foot steel cable with loops, a 6-foot sling rope, a turnbuckle, a wire rope thimble, and 4 wire rope clamps. Everything you need for a secure installation. Setting up is simple thanks to the pre-installed loop on the cable. You can easily connect it to your desired anchor point, or create additional loops with the included hardware. This versatile aircraft cable is ideal for a wide range of uses, including zip lines, shade sails, dog runs, and deck railings. Its flexibility and strength ensure flawless performance every time. What we like. This kit provides a corrosion-resistant galvanized steel cable with a substantial breaking strength, making it suitable for various outdoor applications. If you're looking for a versatile and durable cable solution for zip lines, shade sails, or dog runs that can withstand extreme weather, this is a great pick. It's ideal for those who need a reliable cable with essential installation hardware included. What people say. The Zipline cable is very sturdy and well-made. Installation was straightforward and the instructions were clear. The trolley moves smoothly along the cable, providing a fun and safe experience. Number 1. Campbell 14X 250-foot galvanized cable 700-0827. Introducing the Campbell galvanized aircraft cable. It offers high strength with a standard galvanized finish for durability. This cable is uncoated, providing a clean and reliable surface. Its extra flexible 7 by 19 construction ensures ease of use and maneuverability. Built with a robust 7 by 19 strand construction, it's designed for demanding applications. The galvanized finish adds an extra layer of protection against the elements. It comes conveniently spooled on a 5.5 reel, making it easy to store and deploy. This size is practical for various projects. Experience superior strength with this aircraft cable. It's the ideal choice when you need a reliable and high-performance solution for your needs. What we like. This is a high-strength, extra-flexible galvanized aircraft cable, offering a generous length for extensive projects. If you require a substantial amount of durable and flexible cable for a large-scale zipline or other outdoor rigging needs, this product is an excellent choice. It's perfect for users who need a long, reliable cable for demanding applications. What people say. The cable is very strong and durable. The trolley moves smoothly along the cable. The installation was straightforward and took less than an hour. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.